What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to this new episode of Restorations with Vic. What I have on my table today are these Air Jordan 13 cherries. I'm not even gonna pretend like I don't know what happens to the shoes because I know exactly what happened. I went outside with 2 big candles, melted them on the grill, and poured it all over the shoes just because I've never cleaned a pair of shoes with this much candle wax on them. It'll be a new challenge for me. Besides the candle wax, we got a lot of separation on the toe cap that we gotta fix, a lot of scuffs and scratches that we gotta repaint, and we gotta bring the suede back to life. We got a lot of work ahead of us, guys, so let's get started. First step we gotta do is move the shoe to the side real quick because we're only gonna be working on the left shoe. We're gonna remove the shoelaces, remove our insole, and pop in our shoe tree. Change of plans, insoles are not gonna come out, they're glued tight. We're just gonna go ahead and pop in our shoe tree now. All prepped, ready to go. For today's cleaning, we're gonna be using Reshoevn8r's 3-brush Advanced alarm system and with the help of our detergent. The key for this cleaning to get this candle wax off the shoe is using hot water. Let's go ahead and pour some solution into the hot water. The first brush we're gonna be using is our Soft Bristle Brush, so we can start melting all of this candle wax off the shoe and start getting the grime off as well. Alright guys, here's a quick update on where we're at. Solution and candle wax do not mix well. This process is super messy. Now we're gonna move on to the sock liners with a Soft Bristle Brush. All done with the Soft Bristle Brush, let's take it up a notch and use our Medium Bristle Brush to try to get some of these stains out the leather. All done using the Medium Bristle Brush, guys. Let's move on to our last brush, which is the Stiff Bristle Brush to clean up these soles. Shoe is fully pre-treated, guys. Let's go ahead and put this shoe to the side real quick. Grab our bowl of water with the leftover solution. Grab our shoelaces, dunk them in the bowl, and give it a quick scrubbing. Good to go with that. Pre-treatment's complete. Last step you gotta do is grab our laundry bag, put the shoe inside, grab our detergent, and put them in the washing machine. Time to put these 13s in the washing machine. Let's go ahead and put them in the washer. Use cold water with the regular cycle as always. And of course, let's not forget our detergent. We are back, YouTube. We got the shoes fully dried and clean. Thanks to our 3-brush Advanced alarm system, we were able to clean up all the wax off the shoe. Unfortunately, the upper layer did get stained from the yellow and blue wax. That's okay, I'm not too worried about it. All that stuff's gonna get repainted anyway. Another thing I wanna point out is a sock liner. There are a couple of stains here and there. Like I said, I'm not too worried about it. Overall, I'm super happy with this cleaning. I was not expecting the candle wax to clean up off the shoe, especially the suede area. Now moving on with this restoration, we gotta do some prep work. Using some acetone and cotton balls, we're gonna go ahead and prep the upper leather before the repaint. While we're at it, we're also gonna go ahead and remove all the old glue off the separation so we can get ready for some new glue. All done with the prep work, guys. We'll come back to the uppers later. What we're gonna focus on now is the separation. What we gotta do first is tape off the leather so we can go in and apply our Bars Infinity Cement glue. hold this position for 10 minutes. All done with the glue job, guys. Alignment came out super perfect. No glue where there shouldn't be. Good to go. Let's go ahead and move on to the uppers. For the uppers, before we can start painting, we gotta tape off everything but the white leather. All taped up, guys. Let's go ahead and lay down our paint. What we're gonna be using is Jacquard's Opaque White and our airbrush. Paint job's good to go, guys. We got the white glowing again. Before we remove the tape, we gotta go outside and protect this paint job with some Krylon matte finish. Let's go. All right, YouTube, we're almost done with this restoration and it's looking pretty damn good. The last step we gotta do before we lace this shoe up is bring back some of the color on this red suede. We'll be using Reshoevn8r's Almighty Mink Oil and our Soft Bristle Brush. We're gonna apply a few coats and then brush it in. All right, guys, that's gonna bring us to an end on this full restoration on these 2016 Air Jordan 13 cherries. Not gonna lie, this was a super messy project. Not sure when you would ever get this much candle wax on a shoe, but I don't recommend it. The first step I did to bring the shoe back to life was use our 3-brush Advanced alarm system and our detergent to wipe off all the dirt and grime, and most importantly, all the candle wax off the shoe. After that, we went straight to prep work, re-glued the toe cap, repainted the uppers, and finished off this restoration by bringing the suede back to life using our Almighty Mink Oil. You can find all the stuff you see right here at Reshoevn8r.com. Use my promo code in the description below. This is Vick Almighty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next Monday.